We did have an exit conference with the team from China, and indeed we have 13 visits to the hospital and engagement conferences, teleconferences with our staff all over the country. And indeed we benefited. It's a mutual benefit from both sides. And first, we look into the policy and action plan. So, in line with what they have done. In fact, they were impressed with what we have actually put in place. We were the first, and we were fast in terms of action with regards to MCO. And according to them, MCO works well with us. And today you can see the outcomes of the MCO. So policy-wise, I think we are learning from them because they are ahead of us, 2 months ahead of us. And second is also we look into technical aspect, whereby, for example, the lab, we are looking into in terms of the testing, and they did mention not to rely too much on the rapid test kit. So the gold standard is still RT-PCR, for example. So a lot of technology, I think we have actually discussed with them and benefited our staff. And also we look into our hospital and the services in the hospital. They visited our hospital, and they are quite impressed with what we have. And this is something that they did not expect, that we are well prepared in that sense, whereby we have 7 COVID hospitals, whereby with this 7 hospitals, our resources is basically focused into this 7 in terms of human resource, facilities, and etc. By doing so, we have optimize and maximize our capacity in terms of human resource, in terms of facilities, and also mobilize and deploy exactly what they did in Wuhan, for example. Those actually out of Wuhan, the medical staff were deployed to Wuhan. So this is exactly what we did as well. We deploy those from the green zone, coming to Klang Valley, for example, to help us in 7 COVID hospitals. So more importantly is that we plan well, we plan early, and we take action. And today, because of that, we can see good results in terms of response. So it gives us the confidence in that sense that we are doing the right thing, exactly what they did. And they did emphasize to us that we need to protect the border. Border control must be there. So this is what we are doing. Unlike some other countries, when they lift the MCO, everything, including the border control. So today we have eased the restriction as well as a little conditional MCO, but we strengthen our border control. So I think it's very important for us to continue to strengthen our border control. Those coming back or those coming into country must be quarantined for 2 weeks, and we swap them. So that's the enhancement of our border control. So I think this is a very mutual benefit for both countries.